Hey guys, welcome to White Rock Crypto. So in this video, you will learn step by step how to buy ontology ONT. Okay, so this is very beginner friendly guide. We're going to go step by step, very easy way to get started. Okay, so we're going to use Binance to buy ontology. So if you haven't signed up on Binance, you can sign up on the description of this video. And Binance is cryptocurrency exchange, which means that you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. You have also many possibilities for earning extra income. You can earn passive income through the pools or staking your cryptocurrencies. I also create videos about those, so definitely subscribe to this channel if you're interested to learn more about cryptocurrencies. But in this video, we'll go very in depth on an easy step-by-step way how to buy ontology. So the first step is obviously sign up on Binance. Like I said, you can find the link in the description. So go ahead and sign up on Binance. After you have signed up on Binance, this is the first page that you will see. Okay, and on Binance, all you really have to know is where the cryptocurrencies will go after you buy them with your credit card or bank deposit. And after that, how do you actually use that cryptocurrency in the wallet, how you can withdraw it, and how you can, if you want to sell it. I'm going to show all of that. So let's go. So when you buy cryptocurrencies with your with fiat currencies, for example like euros or USD dollars, they will be taken to your wallet. Okay, so whenever you buy cryptocurrencies, sell cryptocurrencies, or trade cryptocurrencies, your balance will show up here on your Binance wallet. Okay, so I just want to quickly cover this because these very cryptocurrencies will end up. Now to actually buy ontology, all you have to do is go to buy crypto. Then you have 5 options like I showed you. You have bank deposit, create a debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payment by Simplex and banks. Now out of these 5, I have most of the time I use bank deposit or credit or debit card because it's so easy. So let me click here. You can use any of these 5. But I using just credit card. Lately, past like year or so, I've been just using credit card to buy crypto. So here you can buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card. When I go to coin and type in ontology, you can see that you can't buy ontology straight up with your credit card. Here are all the currencies that you can buy with credit card, and ontology is not here. Okay, so that being said, what you must first do is you must go to trade and classic and type in the search ontology to see what pairings ontology has. Okay, so we can see that ontology has Bitcoin, USDT, BNB, and Ethereum pairing. This means that if you own Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or BTC, you can trade that cryptocurrency into ontology. And I will show you how to do it. But first we have to acquire either Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or BTC. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can first buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into ontology. So let's go. So buy crypto and create a debit card to buy our Bitcoin. Okay, so here all you have to do here is scroll down a little bit. You can see how to buy with bank card. So you have input amount. So all you have to do is select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Okay, then you have confirm payment details. When you click buy BTC, you will be taken to the confirmation page, which is 2-step process. Okay, so confirm payment details and complete safety certification. After that, the payment is complete. It takes like a minute to do this. And after that, when you go to your wallet, the Bitcoin you just purchased with your credit card will show up right here in your Binance digital wallet. Okay, so the Bitcoin you just bought will show up right here. Okay, so now to actually trade that Bitcoin into ontology, go to trade, go to classic, click the search and type in ontology. Now click ontology/BTC. Remember, we are now trading the Bitcoin you just bought with your credit card and trading that into ontology. And see, here's how you do it. So you have sell orders here and buy orders here. So these are people who are selling ontology, and these are people who are buying ontology. Now you are buying ontology, so all you have to look at is these. Okay, because these are people who are selling. You're buying ontology from people who are selling. Okay, and to actually do this, you have 2 options here. You have limit order or market buy. And limit means that if you think, for example, the price is going to go a little bit lower, you can put your bidding here, and when it meets this price, so you can like order, and then you put the limit here, the price you want to buy in, and when it dips to that price, the bot will automatically buy you at this price. But however, if the price doesn't go to that low, your order will not be successful, meaning that you won't get your ontology tokens. That's why, for example, I currently use only market buy. Market buy means that Binance will automatically give you the best pricing. Okay, so it already takes the best pricing possible. So with that being said, click the market buy, and then where it says buy ontology, here you can select how much ontology you want to buy. So for example, if you select 100%, that means that you're selling 100% of the bitcoins you just bought with your credit card and trading that into ontology. So of course you don't have to trade all if you don't want, so you can go like 27%. Now it's trading 27% of your bitcoins and buying ontology with it. After you have decided how much ontology you want to buy, just click buy ontology, and then the trade will execute and the ontology will show up right here in your wallet. Okay, so here all you have to do here is you have the ontology here. So now you can get that ontology into hardware wallet. For example, let me show you. What crypto ledger. Let me show you a cool website here. I don't remember the. So yeah, it's this one. So you can come here and type in ontology, and you can see if a ledger wallet supports. So currently ledger wallet doesn't support ontology, but yeah, you can always check that there. Ledger is a hardware wallet. There's a lot of hardware wallets that you could use. Ledger is not the only one, but I've been using Ledger for years now, and it's absolutely amazing. It's an offline wallet to safely secure your cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's that. And now how to actually sell the ontology. So think about, you have your ontology right here in your fiat spot trading wallet right now. Okay, now to actually trade and sell that ontology, you have to go back to trade and click classic and click the search and type in ontology. So here you can sell your ontology for USDT, BNB, or Ethereum. Let's click, for example, ONT/USDT. So now you're selling your ontology for USDT. Now again, click market to get the best pricing. Here it says sell ontology. It's to select how much ontology you want to sell and click sell ontology. Now it also executed instantly, and it will trade all of your ontology depending on how much you trade here into USDT, and then you have USDT on your Binance wallet. Okay, and that's how you can trade. Now you have, for example, USDT, so you can come again here and click trade and type in USDT and keep buying other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's basically how you can buy any cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, subscribe to White Rock Crypto. Also leave like to this video, that would help me so much. Anyway, thank you so much. Check out the links in description, free newsletter, and also if you want to know about more what I invest in. Okay, so this is like entertainment portfolio, so I'm going to do it like a live. Basically, I'm building a cryptocurrency portfolio for White Rock Crypto, and now you can have access to see the portfolio that I'm building. Okay, no investment advice, it's just something that I want to document, and you have a chance to participate and see it and support this channel. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.